In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go to switch between formats like month, day, month, year, or a year first style. This is especially helpful if your team spans different regions, or if you just want your dates to look consistent across tasks, due dates, and calendars. Start by opening your Workspace menu. Look for the Workspace name near the top of the left sidebar or at the upper corner of your screen. Click it to reveal the main Workspace menu. If your window is compact, you may see a small caret or icon next to the Workspace name clicking that does the same thing. This menu is where you'll find the controls that affect the entire workspace rather than just your personal view. Next, head into Settings. Inside the Workspace menu, choose the Settings option, the one associated with the workspace, not your personal profile. It may appear with a gear icon. If you don't see it, you might need the appropriate permissions, so check with a Workspace admin. Opening Settings will take you to the central place where you can manage workspace-wide preferences that impact everyone. Once you're in Settings, go to Preferences. Depending on your layout, preferences may appear in a sidebar or as a tab within the Workspace Settings area. This is where ClickUp groups general options that control how information is displayed. You're in the right place when you see options related to formatting and other display choices for the workspace. Now, locate the date format setting, change it to your preferred style, and save. You'll typically see options like MM, DD, YYY, DD, MM, YYY, or YYY, MM, DD. Pick the format that matches your team's regional standard or your reporting needs. Many interfaces show a live preview, so double-check the example to make sure it looks the way you expect. When you're satisfied, click Save or Save Changes. The update applies across the workspace, so task due dates, start dates, and other date fields should immediately reflect the new format. If multiple team members are working simultaneously, they'll see the change as well, keeping everyone aligned. That's all it takes. Open your Workspace menu, go into Settings, select Preferences, then adjust and save your date format. Choosing a consistent format now can prevent confusion later, especially when deadlines are tight or shared across time zones. If you ever want to switch back, just return to the same setting and pick a different option. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, clearer dates in ClickUp.